Hey there, welcome to our video on how to stay organized. Now, I know what you're thinking, organization. Boring. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. With the right mindset and some clever tricks, you can turn organization into a fun and enjoyable task. First things first, let's talk about the importance of a clean and organized space. Not only does it make it easier to find what you need, but it also improves your overall mood and reduces stress. Plus, let's be real, a clean space is just more Instagrammable. So, where do we start? Well, the first step is to declutter. And no, I'm not talking about Marie Kondoing your entire house, just focus on one area at a time. Start with the room that stresses you out the most, whether it's your bedroom, your living room, or your car. Yes, your car counts as a room. Now, grab a trash bag and a donation bag and get to work. Be ruthless. If you haven't worn it in the past year, it's time to say goodbye. And let's be real, that shirt you bought on a whim at a concert is never going to fit you again. Once you've decluttered, it's time to organize. And this is where the fun begins. My personal favorite method is the color coding system. It's like a rainbow in your closet, and it makes getting dressed in the morning a breeze. Plus, it's a great excuse to buy more clothes. I need a purple shirt to complete my color scheme. Another tip, invest in clear storage containers. Not only do they make it easy to see what's inside, but they also make your space look neat and tidy. And let's face it, we all want to be that person with a perfectly organized pantry. And finally, create a schedule for yourself. Set aside a specific day and time each week to do a quick tidy up. This way, you'll stay on top of things and avoid a massive clutter buildup. Now, let's talk about some specific areas in your home that can benefit from proper organization. First, let's tackle the kitchen. One of the best ways to stay organized in the kitchen is by keeping your pantry and fridge organized. It's easy to forget about the items in the back of the pantry or the bottom shelf of the fridge. But by keeping everything visible, you'll know exactly what you have and what you need to buy. Next, let's talk about the bathroom. One of the best ways to stay organized in the bathroom is by using a shower caddy or a hanging organizer. This will help keep your shower essentials in one place and prevent clutter on the shower floor. And let's not forget about the office. One of the best ways to stay organized in the office is by using a filing cabinet or a digital filing system. This will help keep important documents and papers in one place and prevent clutter on your desk. Another tip for staying organized is to use labels. Labels are a great way to keep everything in its place and make it easy to find what you need. And lastly, don't be afraid to get creative. If a traditional organizing method doesn't work for you, come up with your own unique solution. In summary, staying organized is all about decluttering, organizing and scheduling regular cleanups, using labels and creative solutions to suit your needs. With a little effort and the right mindset, you'll be on your way to a stress-free, organized and functional home. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips help you stay organized.